The 7th staging of the Flow Skool Aid took place at Jahmiel recently. We have the highlights.
It's the 6th staging of Flow Skool Aid, formerly Lime Skool Aid, at Jahmiel in Portmore. Today we can expect to see free medical services, discounts, prizes and giveaways, and lots of entertainment for the kids. What are your thoughts on this event this year?
Well, this event is okay so far. It's the first year I've been here and I'm enjoying myself so far.
It's a great look every year, so I'm back here every year. So it's a wonderful feeling, and you do so much for the kids every year, so we just have to come show our support. And as usual, bring my kids to enjoy themselves.
Why did you decide to come to Flow Skool Aid?
Well, to enjoy all the facilities that I have here.
What are your thoughts on Flow Skool Aid?
Well, I think this is my 5th year, and it has been good. I always look forward to it, you know. For my kids, them really enjoy it.
The medical, the barbering, good, because my son get him haircut and it neat. I like that.
Our role here is to offer HIV testing to anyone who likes it, who wants to get an HIV test.
What went into creating this Skool Aid this year?
Well, we've been doing it for 7 years now. It was really about the Flow brand, the Flow Foundation. We wanted to give back to Jamaica, want to give back to all the parents across Jamaica during this hard time. You know, lots of money to take care of the kids, to get the kids ready, medicals, all those things that they have to do, school supplies, all of those things. So we wanted to give back, and Skool Aid is the biggest give back event in the region. And we're happy to have given this to Jamaica in terms of the medical center. And that's a big part of what we do, is to have medical checks for all of the kids as they prepare to go back to school. They also have dental, optical, barbershop, beauty salon. So we have everything to get your kids ready, and then we wanted to give them the last fun opportunity before they go back to school. So this is really all of that wrapped up into one, is a give back event for back to school.
We are going 6 years now, and every year it keeps getting better and better and better. This year I am told that you are giving out over 30,000 back to school items. Yes, sir. Yes, that's a lot.
Why do you support an event such as Flow Skool Aid?
It's a great event. You know what I mean? I don't think anybody or any individual should even think twice to support an event like this. You know what I mean? Because the youth is the future. And, you know what I mean? I know Jamaica stay. A couple of years back, we never have nothing like this, so it's a good venture, you know what I mean? Like, things step up, everything get modern now, so we have to modernize you them from early, you know what I mean? And get them equipped with everything what's going on, and school is very important for the upliftment of our country in the future, you know? You make me I wanna hear you. I wanna hear you.
Shy talk with a dancer. Watch everybody do the dancer. Dip with a dancer. Come on, rock with a dancer. Hey, Flow. 1, 2, and in the air. Shampoo, 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 shampoo.
It's everything that it promised to be. Free optical, dental, medical services, lots of entertainment, performances, and rides and prizes galore for the kids that were present at Flow Skool Aid 2016.
Veteran singer Derrick Harriott is profiled in this week's Wray and Nephew Trailblazers feature.
He's known for a string of hits dating from the 1960s to the 1980s. Jamaican singer and producer Derrick Harriott rode the charts with songs including The Jerk, Solomon.
Solomon was the wisest man, but he didn't know the secrets of a woman. Solomon was the wisest man, but he didn't know the secrets of a woman. I am wiser than...
I Care.
You know I love you. You know I care. You know I love
What Can I Do?
What can I do to hold your hand? What can I say?
I Was Checking Out.
I was checking out, and she was checking in. Let me tell you, people, I was checking out.
And Skin to Skin.
Skin to skin, that's how I like to hold you close. Skin to skin, honey baby, you're the most. Skin to skin.
Harriet, who is now in his late 70s, has been missing from the musical radar for years. But where is he now? And what has he been up to? Born Derrick Clifton Harriott in 1939, he was a member of the Jiving Juniors before embarking on a solo career. He has produced recordings for Big Youth, Chariot Riders, The Chosen Few, Dennis Brown, The Ethiopians, Keith and Tex, and The Kingstonians, among others. While he was a student at the Excelsior High School, Harriet formed a duo with Claude Sang Jr. Harriet entered the Veers John Opportunity Hour Talent Contest as a solo artiste in 1955, failing to reach the final round. He entered again in 1957 as a duo with Sang, going on to win several times. In 1958, Harriet formed the Jiving Juniors with 3 friends. The group had success on the Veer John's Opportunity Hour, and in 1960 and 1961 had hit singles with Lollipop Girl for Duke Reed and Over the River. The group split up after Harriet migrated to the United States. Harriet embarked on a solo career and later formed his own record label, Crystal. His first solo release, I Care, was a hit, with further hits following with What I Can Do and The Jerk, which were included on his debut album, The Best of Derrick Harriott. In the 1970s, he opened his first record shop on King Street in Kingston, later moving to larger premises at Twin Gates Plaza in Halfway Tree. In the 1980s, he continued to have hits with soul cover versions, such as Skin to Skin and Checking Out. In 1988, he scored with Starting All Over Again, a duet with Yellow Man. Harriet continued to produce songs in the 1990s. These days, Derrick Harriott continues to run his record store, which is still located at Twin Gates Plaza in Kingston. This has been our Wray and Nephew Trailblazers feature, where we bring you up to date on what some of our past musical stars have been up to lately. Join us next time for another feature.
And before we go, let's see which songs made the cut in this week's Magnum Top 10 charts.
This a the happy moment, yeah, this a the happy moment. No for them who want see you mash up and pop, don't tell them that won't happen, no. This a the happy moment, yeah, this a the happy moment. No for them who want see you mash up and pop, don't tell them that won't happen, no.
Yo, the trend of them get y'all easy, touch that quick, that a the thing, you know a rude boy thing. Bad girl telling me she love my flick, that a the thing, you know a telling if you walla, ding dong a telling if you walla. Better to you go money pull up.
Totally out of memory. Well, I know that to me. No, no, what's my friend for real? Well, I know that to me.
A bubble bumper, I jump in it. Indicator, them a watch how me did it. Them a photo class, take a chick, them a credit. Bumper jumping, watch how my bumper jumping. Left, right, bumper jumping.
Them they want we are. Who got and come back with the formula? Have everybody speechless like Michael Jackson song, you know. When we are work, them did a laugh, you know. No blood in me, I even dance.
Show no progress. Man, we go through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. Cause them on them talk about things and them school.
I'll be with you always, honey, right by your side. Hey, forget the dark days.
Can't stop me now. No, can't stop me now. Yes, I have to face it.
Are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? And
unruly thing. We still a win. And we still a win. Them finna want say a worldwide thing. Hear me? We no ride man wave, we no wheel. Boy, watch the devil them a pray for me feel. Rose gold a beat.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Thanks to Endless Summer Boutique, Shop 7 Manor Park Plaza for this trendy outfit. Be sure to follow us on all social media at Pree Dis Show and like our Facebook page. Until next week, see you soon.